Hey guys, as you know, the prop farm industry has been going through so many things, so many ups and downs. We've seen prop farms rising and we've seen prop farms falling. Here in this video, I am going to introduce to you guys a prop farm that has been around for over 10 years. Yes, you heard that right, over 10 years. And which prop farm am I talking about? I'm talking about Audacity Capital. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can benefit by trading with Audacity Capital. And also in this video, you're going to learn how you can pass any prop farm challenge using the one candlestick strategy and also the strategies that I've showed you guys on the channel. Be sure to stick with the video from the beginning up to the end, because if you skip, you're going to miss some very exciting news that I'm going to tell you guys. So I'm going to start this challenge with a 30k challenge or 30k ability challenge, as Audacity Capital calls it. I'm going to show you guys in a series of videos how I am going to pass the challenge, get funded, and also get a withdrawal. So if that sounds exciting, be sure to subscribe and follow the series that's going to start very soon. So without wasting time, guys, let us go onto the screen and I'll show you what Audacity Capital has to offer, guys. Alright guys, so we are going to go onto the screen now and I'll show you what Audacity Capital has to offer. Remember, if you decide to sign up with Audacity Capital, make sure you only use the link that I'm going to leave in the description of this video and in the first pinned comment, so that you can get the benefits that are going to come with it. Alright, so without wasting time, let's get on to the screen and I'll show you what Audacity Capital has to offer. As you can see here, we have Audacity Capital, where you can go to get funded. So Audacity Capital has been in the industry for 12 years now. You can see up here, celebrating 12 years of legacy. And you can see here, their homepage is clean. I'm going to show you also the dashboard and how you can be able to see the metrics and all that. But this is their homepage, what you see when you go on to their website. Very clean interface. The colors are so good, not too bright, not too subdued. Very good colors and very interactive website you see here. So you can see here we have no monthly fees or hidden fees. Live trading account, you get a live trading account, leave alone a demo trading account. It's not a demo trading account, it's going to be a live trading account when you get funded. Okay, so you're getting your withdrawals from your live funded account, so you're going to be more assured of getting your payout from Audacity Capital. So here you will get institutional liquidity, meaning you're getting liquidity the same as the institutions would get. Okay, so you're trading with enough volume and trading liquidity. All right, you get a profit share of up to 90%. You have zero risk trading, meaning the capital is not yours. The capital belongs to Audacity Capital, but you are trading that capital and getting a share of up to 90%. Audacity Capital is also available in 146 plus countries, and they currently have more than 150,000 traders on their trading program. They have also a payout of up to $3.2 million monthly payout in volume. That's what they do. And they do a processing time for your payout of 2 to 4 days maximum, and you get your payout. So without wasting so much time, you can just go onto the website right here, and then you can be able to check this out and read more of this information for yourself. All right, so let's just look at some of the programs that they offer. Audacity Capital offers two programs. They have what they call the Ability Challenge, where you go through the typical two-step challenge for you to get funded. And then they also have the Funded Trader program, where you get funded directly. This is for experienced and professional traders who have been doing this for quite some time and they are already profitable. But if you're a trader trying to get funded and you're still trying to learn your craft and perfect your craft, you can go for the two-step challenge, which is the typical challenge that you know prop firms offer. Okay, so here you can see we have the Ability Challenge, which is a two-step demo challenge. You go through phase 1 and then phase 2. You get a refundable fee, you get up to 90% profit sharing, up to $2 million in funding, a leverage of 1:100, and you have news trading is allowed. They don't give you any restrictions on the lot size. And then you get a cloud-based robust technology, which is really quick and allows you to get access to your trading tools, your trading instruments, and your trading panels with lightning speed. You also get a 24/7 technical support, which is really needed in this industry. You know, I've had bad experiences with some pro firms where you really need to get some information really quickly from the technical team, and they only reply after 1-2 days. But here you get 24/7 active technical support. Why should you choose Audacity Capital? They are the #1 funding provider. Forget the rumors and all that stuff that you hear people talking about. This prop firm is the best, this prop firm is the best. Audacity Capital is the oldest prop firm that you can know out there. It is one of the oldest, if not the oldest. It's 12 years plus in the industry. So guys, let's go through the challenges and the challenge account types. Here we have the ability challenge, which starts from 10,000 for beginners. Here you see it stated here for 10,000 for beginners. You can start with a 10K account challenge for just 129 US dollars. You can choose the currency you want your account to be in, and then you trade with MetaTrader 5. This prop firm is one of the only prop firms that allows you to trade with MT5. Other prop firms were excluded from the MT5 servers, but Audacity Capital still allows you to trade with MT5. So here, for all the ability challenges, you have the same rules. You get a minimum trading time of 4 days. You get an unlimited trading period, meaning you can trade for as long as you want to pass your challenge. Then you have a maximum daily drawdown of 7.5% during the challenge phase. And then during the verification, which is the phase 2 of the challenge, you get a 5% daily drawdown. And also on the live account, you get a 5% maximum daily drawdown. The maximum absolute drawdown, which means the maximum amount of capital that you are allowed to lose, is 15% during the challenge phase, 10% during verification, and 10% on a live account. And then the profit target is 5% for verification and 10% for the challenge phase, which is phase 1. Now, you can just look at the challenge stage right here. They give you enough drawdown for you to be able to trade with peace of mind, 7.5% and 15%. Surely, if you're a good trader, or if you have a simple strategy that wins, even if it's just 40% of the trades, you can pass this challenge. 7.5% daily drawdown maximum limit, and also 15% total max drawdown. That is enough for you to be able to pass your challenge with peace of mind. So let me show you guys now the funding trader program. Here on the funding trader program, you can get a live account starting from $7,500 to $60,000, and you can also scale that up to $2 million depending on your performance. So you can choose either the ability challenge, where you go through the 2-step challenge, or you can choose the funded trader program. So you can look at the starting balance for the funded trader program. It starts from $7,500 and goes all the way to $60,000. You can trade forex, indices, and gold in the funded trader program, and you have a 5 minimum trading days with at least 3 profitable days. You have a 5% daily drawdown, and then you have a 10% max drawdown, a profit target of 10%, and a leverage of 1 to 30. You are not allowed to trade the news with the funded trader program. When you choose the funded trader program, you don't trade the news, and you get a profit split up to 80%. So choose which one you want, the ability challenge or the funded trader program. I am going with the ability challenge for a $30,000 account. Now let's go onto my dashboard, and I'll show you the 30K account that I've gotten with Audacity Capital that I'm going to start a series on. Look at how clean this interface is, so smooth and very interactive. So you can see I have the ability challenge with a 30K starting equity or balance. You can see here $30,000 starting balance. Now, when we go to my accounts, you will see that it's the same account I have right here. It's the ability challenge with a 30K starting balance. And I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to pass this challenge using the one candlestick strategy and also the strategies I've shown you here on the channel. Be sure to follow this series and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of the videos I'll be posting about me passing the Audacity ability 30K challenge. So you can see here when I go to view stats, you can see this is where I will see my statistics. I've not yet started trading this account, but you can see how nice this dashboard is. Very interactive. You can choose between the dark mode or the light mode like this. Okay, you can choose any of the modes you want. But for my eyesight, I like to use the dark mode. All right, so this is the challenge. All right, I am going to start trading this, guys, and I will be updating you guys on YouTube here and also on Telegram about the progress of this account. Be sure, guys, to use the link in the description of the video to sign up with Audacity Capital so that you can take advantage of this to get yourself funded this year. One other feature that I wanted to share with you guys is if you go to the very bottom of the screen right here, very bottom of the website, you can see that Audacity Capital is open enough. They have their phone number here. You can reach them using a phone call. Okay, you can call them. They are located in London, in England. This is their address right here. And then you can also send them an email right here for you to stay in contact with them. They also have a Discord community where you can be able to chat and discuss with live and like-minded people or traders. All right. So guys, don't let this opportunity pass you. Go join Audacity Capital using the link in the description of this video and start your trading journey to getting funded today. Let's go.